I've been on a journey to burn belly fat and trust me, it's been quite the ride. I survived endless routines that didn't deliver. I spent hours and dollars on quick fixes. And I saved myself from frustration by finding what truly works. I built a focused exercise plan and, in the end, I got the flat belly and the confidence I'd always wanted. Here's how I did it. I replaced those old, ineffective exercises with advanced moves that target the core more efficiently. My new daily routine includes mountain climbers, Russian twists, and flutter kicks. Each exercise is designed to engage your core deeply and boost your metabolism. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Of course, it wasn't always easy. There were days I struggled with fatigue and doubt, but I tracked my progress diligently and kept pushing through the challenges. The results were phenomenal. Not only did my belly fat decrease, but my overall energy and mental clarity improved dramatically. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in the description. Consistency is key. Stick with your routine, track your progress, and celebrate every small victory. These exercises can transform your body and boost your confidence. Keep going, you've got this. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.